find exactly what you need with a simple circle. Why type when you can circle? Search results right there without typing a single thing. What are you up to now, Derek? A message maximizing multitasking, all without switching apps. The most powerful AI processor on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone. And who?
This is the fastest AI processor you've ever seen in the Galaxy Z Fold series. Hardware-accelerated ray tracing gives you light-changing gaming experiences. And hello, where did the crease go? The lightest and slimmest Galaxy Z Fold packed with more immersive action, while a 1.6 times larger vapor chamber keeps you cool.
The ultimate hands-free selfie experience. Who loves the spotlight? How could you resist the new 50-megapixel camera and flex cam with auto zoom, keeping you in frame automatically hands-free?
Smile!
You see, this is the new powerful way to selfie. And look at that attention to detail. Pro Visual Engine flawlessness. Creating the perfect moment. Effortless as ever. Pose it, flip it, hands-free snap it. Like it, scroll it, don't recharge it all day long. Feel like a local with the best translation experience ever on a Samsung Galaxy.
Shall we go for a walk?
Avec plaisir.
A two-way interpreter to show you both. Don't ruin the moment. Don't reply. Oh, unless it's suggested replies. Quick glance, big flex. The easiest way to summarize and organize notes with Galaxy AI. Turning messy handwriting to all perfectly formatted. Recordings. Become easy to read transcripts. Come simple bullets in just a tap. And the upgraded durability of these phones would come in quite handy.